Hello guys, today I am showing something to you. Here is my garden, so peaceful. Just the way I like it. Every flower has its own story. Let's create something new today. Will you help too? Let's sketch the butterfly and flower painting. When colors come together, they turn into feelings. Sometimes the smallest things are the most beautiful. Peace. This is what life truly is. Let's take a cup of tea. If you look with your heart, every day is a new picture. Today my vlog is end, so goodbye.